Hi guys, today I will tell you that 10 places, 10 best places to visit in UK. So, firstly, we will tell you that the 10 places and most incredible best places to visit in UK with the help of map. The 10 most incredible places in England worth traveling for and where to stay. So the first one is the Yorkshire. Visitors flock to Yorkshire because there is no place on earth like Scott's own country. The sheer beauty of the landscape, sometimes as unexpected as a dilapidated mill chimney stepping up through a leaden sky, has inspired generations of painters from John Atkinson's Grimshaw moonscapes to the Victorian artist of the Straits Group to David's Hawking, Yorkshire's world. It boasts three national parks, a wild and rugged coastline, and wonderful Victorian architecture, not least the preserved traced streets and mills of the World Heritage Sites of Saltire. And the second one is the Cotswold, the glorious honey-colored towns and villages of the Cotswold look as if they have strayed into the 21st century from the another era. The area is characterized by gentle dynamism with lively galleries, vibrant festivals, and a liberal endowment of intriguing museum covering nearly 800 square miles across 5 countries. Wiltshire, Gloucestershire, Oxfordshire, and Warwickshire. These regions of worlds of rolling hills and the biggest, the 38 areas of the outstanding natural beauty and England and Wales. Third one is Devon. Craggy coves and creams, teas, surf breaks and stalls, picnics and pics in the pub gardens. So holidays in Devon are wholesome, simple and scenic. A visit here mixes two of life's loveliest pleasure, good food and the great outdoors. Most people are drawn to the magnificent beaches on the south and north coast, but inland Devon has its appeal to Dartmoor and Exmoor are vast granite plateaus offering solitude and big skies, while the gentler Frisian filled pastures of mid Devon hide clusters of that thatched villages, meandering rivers and thickly wooded cliffs. And the third one is Lake District. So Lake District, visit the Lake District of Britain, grandest countryside and grandest viewing, covering a total area just over 885 square miles. The Lake District National Park has been protected since 1951, and its pictures patchwork of lake, valleys, woodland, and fells make it one of the best places in Britain to get out and experience the great outdoors, whether it's in a leisurely bike ride down country lanes or a day long hike across the hills. And while the weather is notoriously unpredictably, showers and racing clouds only emphasize and grandeur of the magnificent view. So the next one is the Norfolk. Norfolk, undulating the countryside and the sleepy flint-built village are perfect for gentle cycling, walking, touring by car, stately homes, ruined castle, medieval churches, and half-timbered wood towns fascinating museum make for enjoyable day out. Although fast Angelia get less rain than many other holidays destinations in the UK. Northerly and easterly wind over the North Sea can keep temperatures busy with dog walkers and hikers. The best hotels in the Norfolk in the list is mentions. So the next one is Destination Suffolk, the beach fringing the curve, Norfolk and Suffolk, the coastline, or the chef